Men they make mistake. Like they make mistake. If you want a happy home, simple, make the woman wey dey as happy. Is as simple as ABC. If she dey grind you for night, she go dey grind you with happiness. If she dey grind your food, she go dey grind your food with happiness. If she dey take care of the children wey dey as na with happiness. Anything wey she dey do, na happiness. If you dey go out, her secret prayer, my beautiful people, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. Yes, not be news for this Chacha Ike marriage hitting the rock. Like this particular matter, it get as it be. Men of these days, I no actually even know how they create them. Like for real, men of these days, the way that they treat us or the way that they treat their wives, na the same way they no go want make person treat their sister. Like I don't get, if na like this now our foremothers and fathers actually take leave, maybe their gbas go pass like this. So because once you go see maybe your papa and your mama go do their own gidi or jaja or rack their own racking on top the marriage and still settle. But if not like this now, our fathers of before, they treat our mothers like people when it be like say they smoke banana. I not even sure say our mothers they go feed day till they come born us, we can't get sense, can't they see say that they argue once or twice. Like me now is like it be like say me I they promote divorce because I they see some kind of comments. Do you expect her to just leave her home like that? See, women they let go for this matter. Most of my video of before self now wait I know they promote 9 be divorce. I not go tell you say make you run leave your house because the man when the black say you they run they go meet. You not gonna know how that one can be because there is no perfect man out there. The one when you they run they go meet. Maybe you go see get your own small quanta. But this particular Chacha case, it be as he get. That's why me I dey talk and say she for don't even leave last year safe, not safe. And when she wake up say she want leave now, my dear, just leave, like leave. The man no be like person when he be like say you appreciate her, and the marriage no be like waiting work for her body. Blind person go sit down one. You know, blind person go sit down one. If you say you wish them to come back, if I pray for them, person where they wish them to come back, not be saying na me be the devil here. Like na reality, na the coconut self, now they face they take they do my video. You go make you face coco. Mostly if you dey for marriage, you know as they be. Even with your loving husband, when he be like say once they do like cycle, it enter your head once, and then it go change up for you. Judge and the way they be you for house if you even deal with man for house. This particular marriage with Chacha not be waiting even fine for her body. 7 years married, the girl that is she changed petere. Now Motola na dey married so. She still, that is Omotola children don't grow. She don't dey marriage for years. You get one time where they say Omotola husband cheat on her. She want to leave the marriage, but she still fight the marriage out. See Omotola, anytime when you see her, man, you know that when you be like say she dey change and she can't look like this, or she still dey fresh. They go away. You go no say even though say her husband won't go there for her body, she is well taken care of. Maybe self, if possible, make her use the word, she is loved. You dey see her, man, it dey show for her body. Now, if you dey pray for Chacha to go back to her husband, make their marriage work, I beg, save that prayer, for the husband. Pray make the husband change, because if na fire night dey for that her house, you no go dey pray make she go back there. Or make she go there and go and let go there because you want to pray for her marriage to work. Pray make her husband first change first, before you go come pray for her marriage to work or for them to come together. So if they are going together again, then this time the marriage go work for her body, e go show for her body. Not be saying na sufferness na she dey enter, or na another thing na she dey enter. Na marriage, for crying out loud. Not be say you go there for your house, you go be like the house help wey dey for inside house. Oginidi. What about Shoma Shukuka? Many of them wey still dey for marriage up till now, if they still come out, you dey see say wetin dey change na age. You go see say they don dey want old, old age just dey set in. After all, we don dey watch these people, and when we young, na old age na be the difference wey you dey see, but their color, their body is still dey like that. Cha, that is this marriage be like say na leech for cha body. Let's say the way it is, or maybe I'm being too harsh, but I dey talk and the way I take the siam. This marriage be like sucking blood for cha body. Just be like say he suck he suck life out of the girl. Now rumor dey go around for social media everywhere, say the man actually impregnate her friend. Now when she discover, now she come faint, knowing fully well say if Chacha regain consciousness or Chacha get himself, what people go hear her, now be that doctor thing when he blast out on her. I talk and say queen don't come again, but if they talk the matter well, me you go see say I'm not far from the truth. If they see am so, now something like the man want cover, and that's why he doctor friend they give the girl something else. When he be like say if she talk, he go be like say she dey cuckoo. I don't understand her. I don't understand what she's saying. It's like she's not okay. Maybe they go lie her for somewhere, because that time when he be like say she lean, she say na work out. She say she's addicted to makeup. Now I can make her stop to the makeup. See, makeup no dey suck person face or suck person the way she can't take lean or can't dey somehow small. She can't be like say she stop makeup, that's the reason why she can't dey look unkept and the rest. But that is not it. If you stop makeup, your face, make your face get rash, may anything do your face, but the thing is sucking all your body, and you say you are addicted to makeup, so you stop makeup and something happen. That will not be talk now. You go know say the girl for inside house, e be like say the man no value, e be like say the man dey do am anyhow. And the more you dey give am, you dey give person emotional stress, even physical stress, because abuse actually join the matter. Wetin the man no even do this Tasha? Like for real now. So this man way people dey pray, I pray they should settle, or you just dey talk am for your video. Yes, maybe just dey talk am make your video sell. I pray make they settle. I pray make she go back to her husband. This marriage, so now wetin you go pray for your junior or your junior sister or your blood sister to go back to? If na somewhere when you bless say they see say the thing good for person body, you go say I better return there. When you can't come up for there, see how your body can't be. Your body can't change. When you can't come out there, I better go back there. That place good for your body. But if na somewhere when the bless say no good for your body, you go sit. If you dey say and say no good for your body, you go sit tell us that place no good for your body. This particular place with Fanny, e no good for this lady body. Hey, maybe another lady go fit enjoy this man where Chacha no enjoy the man, no. But this particular man no good for her body. I know say she gets small children, but she will be alive to take care of that small children. More una still reason her like that. She will be alive to take care of those small children. The man not only betray her or emotionally or physically torture her, the thing be like both physically and emotional torture. Now he suck her dry. Men they make mistake. Like they make mistake. If you want a happy home, simple, make the woman where they as happy. Is as simple as ABC. If she dey grind you for night, she go dey grind you with happiness. If she dey grind your food, she go dey grind your food with happiness. If she dey take care of the children where they are saying now with happiness. Anything what she dey do, na happiness. If you dey go at her secret prayer, na for God to keep you safe. Because now you dey give her joy. She no go want me nothing do you. Like if woman stand for you, that man, nothing dey sup like nothing go shake you. Men they need to wise. Nothing go shake you if you get that woman when he bless say back you up based on your things they sweet am. You just dey nice to her, man. Your things they sweet am. If she stand for ground back you up, nothing go shake you. Like nothing go shake you. A secret prayer when she dey open her mind, dey pray, say na only you and be the man when she dey grind, God go dey answer am. But if you that man wey dey be like say you dey use the woman wey dey your house till dey do something else, nothing go dey work for you. Not vex, you go dey work, but na small thing now you go dey get inside the heavy work, heavy lifting wey you dey lift. The secret way of good home and happiness for you to live long, just make the woman wey dey for the house happy. Finish. Your life go long. It's as simple as that. Men no dey realize am. You go see woman for house because you go fit beat am. You go dey woz her anyhow, you go dey do her anyhow, you go dey toss am anyhow, you go dey give am rules and regulation, you go dey give am orders as if no be human being. She go just dey obey, dey follow you, no be wetin she want to, but she's just doing it. You go see some kind men like this as they come outside through the door. I'm going, hallelujah. Like, you go be like say the woman secret prayer and make you not return. Hey, you go tell me say make I dey pray for this church and now make you return back to this house. Why now? Like why? Because I be Mother Teresa and I me like to pray pass or pray prayer. You get the kind prayer yourself when I go you pray self, God no go even answer her. And if that place no good for her, how God want to answer your prayer? When you say now they go back, make they carry and come outside from the house with body bag before you go rest. No say something they eat and deep for that house. You can imagine. The thing dey somehow, when I do my first video, now my second video, it's not like say me I dey blame her. Now I dey talk and say she for don comot even since. Now wetin I dey talk? The thing where they eat you for house, they eat you reach this stage, can actually let go you. Not be say I'm trying for it to work. My children, they are still small. If we break up, we'll settle. You dey give yourself excuse. Like really, it's not like I dey support say just pack your load and leave without giving it a try or fighting for it. Like the way Omotola, use Omotola as an example. No be say Omotola marriage has been all rosy, but now something when they fixable. If you see am for her body, you go know say na fresh somebody. That means inside house where she dey, the stress is not too much. Because if they give you emotional stress, even though say it's not physical, they know they even knack you for face. If man they give you emotional stress, the thing go they show for your body. The thing, if you know they happy, go they reflect. This lady, something they eat am for that house. When I no pray make she return, shop me if you want shop me. I no pray make he return, except that thing where they eat am for the house, come off for the house totally, or they fix the thing where they eat am for the house. My prayer for her be say if she want return back to the house because of the children, because she wants to stay because of her children, make the thing where they eat am for the house come off for the house first before she enter. Because if she enter because of her children, and the thing where they eat am for that house still dey there, maybe her coming out, God forbid bad thing, can be RIP coming out. So don't comment down below what you think. I'll soon for my next video. Now fish shop me now.